This season of Sailing Doodles features Bobby, and welcome to Sailing Doodles.
Welcome to the dark side, guys. The girls did a pretty good job washing the boat, but I still have to go over it a little bit, you know? You know, like the color here and like the flag. In the boat, you always want to have it stocked with food. So my two favorite things are Spam and cream of mushrooms. So you want to make it together and it tastes pretty good, guys.
So being on this boat all the time, there's always, you know, problems with the boat. So
Bonus balls!
Thank you, Bobby. So we have to check the starboard engine because I think it's a little trouble opening this thing, but have no fear. The man is here. Let's go check it out. Oh, well, looks good. Starboard engine, always on the right. And it gets pretty loud in the engine room. So you always want to wear your earbuds. Protect your ears at all times. Looks good to me. Looks good.
We had the sails up, we're underway, and we're about to put out the jib, but then our drones malfunctioned and would not answer controls.
It's a beautiful day here in Antigua. The other day we lost the fender, so I've been up all morning just making sure everything's secure on the boat. Checking the fenders, you know, checking the dock lines, making sure everything's good. And then of course, we got the girls here working out. And I'm gonna, what time is it? Oh, it's 9 o'clock? It's time for a beer, isn't it? I'm gonna teach you how to squeeze a can. So first you push, and then you... Ah! Minimum amount of trash in the trash bag.
Wow!
Hi, Bobby.
Hi, Bobby. What's your next destination?
So I think we're heading to St. Bart's, and then right after we're heading to St. Martin. What's your favorite island, Bobby?
My favorite island is St. Martin, of course. I can move there anytime.
So, Bobby, what is one thing you find hard about boating?
Oh, the girls. The girls, yeah.
I know, they're a pain in the ass.
The girl, I know.
What did you say there? It's stiff.
It's the...
I'm mad.
It's a goof.
What's a coof, Bobby? Bobby, what's a coof?
I cannot tell you right now. We are.
Oh, it's something to do with the engines.
Yes, that's the worst thing. Yeah.
Oh, you're getting the coof fixed?
Yes. But I want you to be serious right now because we are recording. We are about to record this.
Oh, so when is the next Sailing Doodles video coming out?
It's every week. You should know that.
I do know that. I'm just confirming with you.
Today's not a bad date to record.
Oh, well, let's get to work.
Let's get to work.
Whoa! Hey! How many times do I have to tell you not to come in here while I'm busy? Alright, Marina, this is the dark side. You copy?
Alright, girls, you ready? Let's get going. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.